Hello guys, welcome back to Chrishairpire. In this video I'll be showing you how to install your handmade faux locks, and this lock is actually made by me. I manufactured them, guys. In the previous video, the locks I was installing was crocheted. It had the ends was crocheted, but this one has extra braiding hair at the end. So you separate the braiding hair on the locks into three, and you also part your hair into three and braid it like I'm doing. Give me a thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to become a member of this family. Hit the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, you go ahead and braid like I'm doing right here. So here I'm parting the braiding hair on the lock into three, and I'm also going to part the hair that I'll be braiding on into three as well and braid on it. So this is a clear demonstration of how I braid the locks on the natural hair. So you're just going to braid. Make sure the locks is tied to the natural hair, but not too tight. So here you braid, and like you can see, I've just been braiding and aligning. So at this point I go ahead and hide the natural hair into the locks. So when hiding it, you have to make sure you insert your crochet pin on the side where the braid is. Like the braid normally used to be on one side, the other side is contrary. So you see I'm inserting the locks on the side where the braid is facing, or the braid is. So I put the natural hair into the crochet hook and hide it in the crochet in the lock, as you can see me doing here. So in this lock here, the natural hair is actually like bent into two. It just hides. So in other locks it won't be like that, so you have to insert the crochet in the locks many times just to make sure you work with the natural hair in the locks, and also to hide it. Guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell if you love what you are seeing. Like if you did learn something, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So here I'm just spraying the hair to give it that shine, and we are done, guys. So at this level you can go ahead and style it like the way you like. Any style you like, you can go ahead and just style it. So even just like this is okay, it's still good.